Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be explaining that how to reset forgotten password in Windows 10 or Windows 11 without losing data and without using any kind of USB or CD. So right now you can see I am on my login screen and I forgot my password, and the one that I remembered, if I type it and hit enter, it says the password is incorrect. So now you don't have any other options. So even if you are not so much tech savvy, so you don't know much about the computer, do not need to worry, simply follow the steps. It's not too much complicated and you can easily do it. So now what you have to do, on your keyboard, look for the shift key, press and hold the shift key, and while holding, on the very right hand corner you will see the power icon. Click on it and then choose restart. Make sure that you keep holding the shift key. Now click on restart and just keep holding until you see a black screen. Now you can leave it and you will be getting a message now, please wait, and then it will come up with a blue screen where it will give you some troubleshooting options. So here you can see choose an option screen has come up, and now you have to click here on troubleshoot, then click on advanced options. Now here at the bottom click on see more recovery options, click on it and then choose system image recovery. You can cancel this box, then click on next, then click on advanced, and then click on install a driver and tap on OK. Now you will get this kind of box, and here only we have to do all the work. So click on this PC from the left hand side, and now you have to click on the drive where you have your operating system installed, and in most of the case it's in C drive. So double click on C, then double click on Windows, then look for system 32, double click on it, and now here you have to look for a file name called utilman. Now as it is a huge file here, it will take some time to search it, so do not lose patience and just keep searching. So how you can search it, just type u twice quickly and then you will come to this kind of page. You will see such kind of files. Now keep scrolling down until you find your little man. So here it is. Now once you find utilman, right click on it, then choose rename it, and then you have to rename, like just add number, some random number after utilmap, like 1 and 2. So alright, done. Just click anywhere now and do not see here because it has been saved, and once you refresh it, it will come back with the name utilname12. So now once you are done, you have to rename other file that will by the name cmd. So again, press the C key, go to the C section, press C and press M immediately, and then you will come to cmd. You have to look for cmd. So as I said, in case if you are not able to search by C and M together, then keep scrolling down until you find CMD. Now once you get it, right click on it again, choose rename, and this you have to rename as utilman. Then just click anywhere, and after that cancel everything, close everything, and then you will come to this page of choose an option. Now this time you have to click on continue. So this will be now starting your computer, so just wait, and now you will come to this screen again, to the login screen, and now here on the very right hand corner you will find the accessibility option. Click on it and the command prompt box will be coming up. Now here you have to type a command, that is control space user password, then number 2, then hit on enter. You will be getting this user account box, and then you can see your username here. Here you will find the option of reset password. Click on reset password, then it will ask you the new password and confirm new password. You just need to leave this blank, or you can also type your desired password. So let's say I want as some random numbers like 12345. So again I will type 12345 and then I click on OK. Click on OK again, and now you can close it. Now type the same password 12345, hit enter, and you will be logged into your computer. Your password has now been recovered, it has been resetted, and now you can quickly log into your computer. So hopefully guys this will help you, as well as still if you have any problem let me know in the comment section, and if this works for you please consider subscribing to the channel, like the video. Thank you for watching.